How does all this show up in romantic relationships?
Okay, so I don't know what it is. I don't know क्या हुआ मेरे साथ कि मुझे कभी भी इसकी with a guy I have never felt conscious about anything in a romantic setup. I have never felt an ounce of sharam body related. Okay, I don't know why. I started dating when I was 21. My first boyfriend was when I was 21, and we were in a long distance relationship. So, and those were days of like Orkut and all. Okay, that's where we met. So, uh, and we were still quite young. So I used to. That's the first instance of me feeling a little conscious. You know that I was say, I am a little big, and I was so cute back then. Like, let me just to my 21-year-old self, I just want to say, girl, shut up, you are very cute. Okay, but she felt like, oh, if you see me in person, you'll feel like, oh, like, who is this and all. My boyfriend started crying, and he was like, I can't believe you feel this way about yourself, because I think you're the most beautiful, perfect woman I've ever met in my life. And that had such a I think that was it, that had such a profound impact on me. So I'm very,
It's
I don't
amazing.
know where this mindset came
Where are
from.
these men?
They are there.
Where is that? Where is that guy? Where is that guy who you met at when you were 21 years
He's
old?
married to someone else.
Oh no! Chalo,
Yeah, I
hopefully
had
that
my Channa
girl.
Meria moment a long time ago.
Okay, let's do something fun now.
Yes.
You keep saying, you know what can fix me right now?
Yes.
So I have a segment which is called What Can Fix.
Yes.
Okay? What can fix a broken heart?
What can fix a broken heart? Immediately I'm going for is exercise, because endorphins are so underrated. So you'll feel good. You'll get a revenge board also. So
Yeah, the 22-year-old me would have said rebound.
no. See, I'm not 22 anymore. So never recommend. No, 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 no,
Yeah.
no. Protect yourself,
Bad idea.
protect your energy. Do not do rebounds, please.
A friendship that faded out.
What could fix that? I think just let it go. If it's faded out, yeah, the only fix is again just doing nothing.
Okay. What can fix a burnout?
Going in nature, like
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
yeah, any mountainous for me, any mountainous place, just jungle, forest, birds. You can hear the animals. That really grounds you again and brings things back in perspective.
Online hate.
Log off, genuinely, just block and log off.
यार पर don't you think कि कभी-कभी online hate has the potential to manifest itself into a physical hate, like a person to person
It has
hate,
happened. It
है ना?
not to me, but of course that is the extreme level.
And that's
So
the danger, the threat, I feel.
absolutely. So in these moments, you must really remember to protect your peace. Really.
Correct. What can fix a bad haircut?
What can fix a bad haircut? Like a cap or something. Like let it'll grow out. It's his hair.
What can fix a WhatsApp group where no one replies?
Oh God! Like say something very passive aggressive. I am like that. Like तुमको बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है कुछ यार? And I love being the center of attention also. So say something extremely like passive aggressive, and then see. Or threaten to leave the group. मैं छोड़ रही हूँ. Or just leave the group.
Yeah.
Act like a drama queen. मैं छोड़ रही हूँ. And then people नहीं 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 आजा add you back. And then start
मैंने
the
ये
conversation.
बहुत किए यार चीजें टेंशन के लिए, लीविंग व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, रिमूविंग व्हाट्सएप डीपी,
DP. That's the
मैसेज
best.
भेजकर डिलीट करना.
Oh,
I love it.
I love that drama. I enjoy. That's my like lifeblood. Like I love it. I love doing all of that.
What can fix the urge to scroll till 3 a.m.?
यार कोई किसी को जोर से लपड़ मारना पड़ेगा तुम्हें उस पॉइंट पे, तभी तुम जाके सो जाओगे. Because this is something I am also struggling with. Despite taking melatonin at night, I'm like my eyes are like this much. नहीं, I cannot stop. I must reach the end of the internet. So,
यार मैंने ना एक पोस्ट देखा था इंस्टाग्राम पर कि कितना अच्छा होता जैसे दुकानें बंद हो जाती है शटर डाउन करने का टाइम होता है ना शॉप्स का, वैसे ही काश इंस्टाग्राम के लिए भी होता कि 7 बजे 8 बजे शटर डाउन हो चुका है इंस्टाग्राम का, अब आप यूज ही नहीं
अब
कर
मत
सकते.
करो यूज. सही,
हाँ.
you're so right. Like Instagram, please bring this feature. Like introduce it for people who want it. You know,
Yeah,
like
yeah, like
just don't
optional.
work. Yeah,
वो
just
sleep mode जो आ गया है.
sleep mode भी मेरे
Correct.
सामने नहीं टिकेगा.
मेरे same.
It
You really have to make the app not work.
not work. Instagram will not work from like 8 p.m. onwards for me. And then even if there is some password I have to put, it will not open. वो
हाँ.
सीधा अगले दिन सुबह उठ खुलेगा. That's the only fix I can think of. Really.
Yeah. If you could fix the ending of a film, which film would it be?
English Winglish की ending मैं change करना चाहूँगी, because as it's a great beautiful feel good film, but मुझे इस बात का बहुत बुरा लगता है कि she returned to the husband who did not appreciate her for the person she is, and always would be like ये तो लड्डू ही बनाने के लिए पैदा हुई है ना. And I don't want her to even end up with that French guy also. She can just, she's coming to her own now. No, yeah,
had
so
just started coming.
just started to come into, so she doesn't really need any male support per se, but I know she will want to be with her husband. I mean, that's just the kind of person she is. But I wanted like her to be like, मुझे दोनों ही नहीं चाहिए, मैं इधर ही रहती हूँ और इंग्लिश सीखूंगी या कहीं भी जाऊंगी, जो भी मेरी मर्जी है.
हाँ.
Like that way, like how Queen की ending थी ना, she like मुझे नहीं चाहिए, I don't want no one, like, and she came into her own. That's what I would have wanted for Sri Devi's character.
Nice.
She'd be like, I'm gonna make the best of my life and I don't need no man.
Nice. Okay, let's do something fun again now. Okay, so this is things you can say for this and that. Things you can say for a gym instructor and your partner.
Things you can say for a gym instructor. आज मूड नहीं है.
Can we go slow today? Okay, nice. Things you can say to your rickshaw driver, or for your rickshaw driver and ex.
रिक्शा ड्राइवर है, तू क्या नहीं बोलेगा, मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ. मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ.
Love it. Keep the change. Okay, things you can say for your therapist and your date.
1 घंटा हो गया क्या?
Okay, things you can say for your makeup artist and situationship.
थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया ना, जाओ.
जल्दी करना, टाइम नहीं है. Okay, and things you can say for comedy and food.
जब अच्छा होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, जब खराब होता तो बास मारता है.
I feel comedy and food, you hold both these things so close to your heart, right?
Oh man.
As much as we are trying to move away from stereotypes, do you think कि female comedians को लेकर अभी भी कुछ stereotypes है? ऐसे कुछ stereotypes जो अभी तक हम like it's still there. अभी तक वो गए नहीं है.
वो कभी भी नहीं जाएंगे. They will never go unless there is like this major massive shift which have to be, I feel, helmed by the male comedians in the way that they talk to their audience. This perspective of women comedians not being as funny as their male counterparts, of कि ये तो सिर्फ अपनी bodies के बारे में ही बात करती, periods के ही बारे में बात करती है. You know why हम periods के बारे में बात करते हैं? क्योंकि हमें होते हैं.
Every month.
हमें होते हैं, आपको नहीं होते हैं, so इसलिए आप उसके बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे. हमें होते हैं. And they only talk about sex, they only talk about this. So there's so much policing कि एक औरत फीमेल कमेडियन को क्या बोलना चाहिए मैं बताऊंगा. No, these are our lived experiences and there is an audience for it as well. So you're just possibly not that audience, you're not that person. Also, you're so blinded by the idea of what is comedy and how should a woman do it. If that's what you're coming with, you will never enjoy it. You will never consider women comedians possibly even funnier than their male counterparts, because I am sick of hearing men talking about how this woman rejected him, how this thing caused me to have an erection, or this thing, that thing, I'm an engineer, blah blah blah. I'm also done with that.
Exactly.
These are things I don't want to listen to.
Hmm.
But I do want to listen to Shrija talking about how much he hates poha. Like, dude, all of these things are so relevant and so funny. And in an ideal world, there should be no gender divide between who is the more funnier gender. But that's just how we are. I think everybody who can tell a good joke is funny, and that's it. Come with that perspective when you're trying to watch comedy. Otherwise, you'll always think, "Arey woman है ना, funny तो होगी नहीं."
Absolutely. What do you think of male comedians coming on stage using the R word and then saying ये freedom of speech है?
मैं कविराज को कमेडियन मानती ही नहीं हूँ. अगर हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो आई डोंट थिंक ही इज अ कमेडियन. ही हैड अ प्लेटफॉर्म एंड ही सेड व्हाट ही हैड टू से, एंड दैट्स इट. Again, it's a stage, and in an ideal world we have freedom of speech. You can say whatever you want to on stage, but it also comes with certain amount of responsibility.
Correct.
It really, your words have an impact, and you can clearly see it in his YouTube. Men are donating money to क्या बात बोल दी भाई, आप तो बहुत, मतलब आप पायनियर हो, और बोलो. What is the impact?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.